Come with me as I go through this day, bestie. Nandito ngayon ako sa MAA to get my uniform. And as you can see, tapos na kaming nakakuha ng uniform at that time. And I'm so excited to buy all the remaining materials and requirements na hindi ko nabili last week. And you can see my mom, she was planning to buy a wallet for my sister and I saw a plastic envelope na kailangan ko. And ayan, yan na yung mga binili namin. I finally got home. And then, yung una ko talaga naisip was to eat my favorite movie na chocolate snack. And ayan, lahat ng pagod ko parang nawawala bawat kagat. And right now, at that time, I'm still thinking, no, like, ngayon lang ako napagod ng ganito after riding that jeep. Ito pala yung uniform ko. And of course, I'm going to try it for you, bestie. Ayan. My evil plan. Actually, I'm just really excited. And ayan, mamaya na yan. Siyempre, uubusin muna natin yung snack. So ayan, natapos na rin ako sa kinakain ko at alam nyo ba, bestie, na isa sa mga rason kung bakit lumabas kami ngayon ng nanay ko, it's because kailangan namin bumili ng bagong ilaw. Ayan, at ilalagay ko yan mamaya. But before that, let me do this transition. Ayan pala ang uniform ko and as you can see, ang saya-saya ko. Grabe, ang lakas ng hangin ng fan kasi parang lilipad na yung damit ko. Pero ayan siya. Ang grabe ang init ng Pilipinas ngayon. Bakit ganyan? Ayan. And of course, kailangan bumalik ka rin sa pangbahay. Yeah. Wait. Ano yun? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Let's continue. So, ayan. Alam niyo, one of the habit I started to embody is unpacking my bag after I got home. And as you can see, that is the first important thing I'm going to do. And ita-times 2 ko na lang ang speed for you, bestie. Baka kasi naiinip ka na. So, ayan. And ito na yung part na ilalagay ko na yung ilaw or bombilya in Bisaya. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Oh my gosh. Gusto kong sumigaw pero yan. I'm so happy and excited and scared at the same time. Ayan siya. Okay, wait lang. Kasi kailangan ko muna i-check if naka-andar para hindi ako magulat. Ayan, inandar ko yung isa. Ilaw. And then, okay. Naka-short pala ako, bestie, ha? Baka concern ka dyan. Naka-short po ako. And ayan. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Oh my gosh. Trust issues is on. Okay. Masyadong madrama yun, ha? Okay, let's check it out. And, boom. Yan siya. Oh my gosh. Oh. Independent woman yan. A.
So, if you reach this point of the video, thank you so much for watching and being with me throughout this day. Hindi man ako nakapag-film masyado or nakapag-shoot ng video because it's my first time in the public. Masyadong nawiwirduhan ako when someone is watching me doing this motion with my phone. So, it's very scary. Baka kung anong iniisip nila. And I'm not very good at this yet. So, ayan. Actually, right now, I am going to edit this video and then rest. Yung rest ko is yung pag-i-edit. Because after I edit this video, I have 3 assignments to do. And then, may sasagutin pa akong mga answers in my Google class since online ako. And face-to-face. Tomorrow, I have class. And then, gagawa ako ng 2 narrative essays. So, there's so many things to do. That's why nahihirapan akong gumawa ng full na video. But I'm currently making an script for that. So, ayun, stay tuned kayo dyan because it will be after the exam week. I might be able to post that na 2 weeks from now. Magiging busy talaga ako because it's gonna be my first exam in the school year. Our prelim. So, ayan. Good luck to me. And I hope if you are watching this, bestie, and mag-e-exam din kayo, good luck. Papasa tayo. Bye-bye. Dami talaga akong gagawin. Ching.